Well, I got a little bit of the garage cleaned up, enough that I can get at one of the projects I want to work on. And that is the rear um, mounts for Moose's box. So Moose has 4 mounts in them right now. It can have more, but the ones that are in are very strong. But the box flexes a little when the tailgate's down. So my tailgate actually comes down and touches the bumper. So to stop that, I realized I've got a space to put motor mounts or body mounts in the back. So we're in the midst of trying to build those. So what we have is basically I started with some leftover metal I had. I'm bending it to look like this to start with. I got a weld there. Then this will be folded in again to sit on top of the frame. And then we will put a good old hockey puck as a body cushion and then bolt it on. That all goes back here, which I don't have the light at the moment, but it goes back in here. Yeah, I like this new camera. So it goes back in here, up in where all that other metal is, and connects to the box. Now I have had my heat going in here, so we've got it up to a whopping 12 degrees in here. So better than it was when I started. We were like 2 degrees, so and that's Celsius. So let's see how we go here. I'm going to try to get these welded up and try to at least get one in today. I've got limited time, but every little bit helps. For you guys, it'll all add together as one video. But let's see if we can get this one in. Anyways, so we're going to start welding on this and see what we can do. we go. Oh, there we go. We got one done. Hold it up. So now we just got to figure out our height with the puck between it and the frame and get the rest done.
A few moments later.
Okay, I broke down and got my little welding table out. Tired of working on the floor. Anyways, there we go. Welded together. My welds are strong. They're not pretty. I actually had a gap there I had to fill in. But we're together on both sides now. Ow. So we're all good. This is nice and strong. So I just got to figure out my hole at the top. Get this in and then figure out where I got to go through. Okay, so there we have it. The puck, the plate. Doing the welding now. In and in. Holds everything up. I actually don't have to go all the way through the body. It bolts in through there. So we get everything lined up. It pushes everything up nicely. Keeps it from moving. That's as far as I got with it today. I'm going to finish welding it hopefully tomorrow. And we'll start fabricating the one for the other side. That definitely makes a difference. It pushes everything up nice and firm. All in all, we're headed in the right direction, a little piece at a time. And we'll get it done. We're trying to get Moose back out. We've got a brand new gas tank for it, because that one had too many holes. We've got a whole bunch of other parts that are going in it, including an addition I wasn't planning on. So keep tuned, and we'll be showing you all that too, and the rest of this. So there we go, all installed. Nice and neat, tidy. I even threw some paint on it to keep it from rusting. And there's the other side. Still got to touch up the paint, but that one's done as well.